Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos these days. Now today's video is a detailed product review video or a hair care routine which you guys have been wanting to know over the years, and now that I haven't answered it, always try to reply to your comments, your DMs, or if you have met me in person, I've always replied that I prefer oils and I don't go for like long and time taking procedures, and I also don't post about it on my channel. It's just that because every day हम सबके पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि हम ये सब चीज़ें करें, and quick solutions are always better. So recently I got my hands on the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. If you're a true YouTuber, you must have seen a lot of international YouTubers talking about this product, and when it launched in India I was pretty excited to try it out. And ये एक वो product है जो घर पे आया है and वो साइड में नहीं रह गया, because बहुत बार होता है कि आपकी मम्मा, आपके पापा या आप खुद कुछ चीज़ें ले आते हो और आप कुछ नहीं करते हो उसका. But then you know that I always prefer oil based stuff for my hair, so I'm always on the lookout to try out new things. And when this came to my house I was like, यार ये तो मुझे try करना ही पड़ेगा. So even though it's like an oil based serum, it's not actually like your regular oil where you're doing like a chumpy and then you're sitting for hours and then taking it off by like doing 5 to 6 washes of shampoo. Yes, there are rare days when your mother or your dadis after your life, will do chumpy on your hair and stuff like that, but on an everyday basis you do not have that much time and patience. आपको कुछ हमेशा ऐसा चाहिए जो आपके बालों को in place रखे and आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें भी ना करना पड़े. That's where this product comes in. It's like you just need to use 2 to 3 drops, and even though it's an oil, it's not like sticky. It's very lightweight and it's like a moisturizer to your hair. So I generally use it to tame my frizz, which is literally like every single day. And that's when you see the difference. And this product is actually made out of 6 rare flower ingredients like rose, tiar, lotus, flax, chamomile and sunflower. These are like all the healthy ingredients to keep your hair sane and healthy at all times. So now why I focus on quick and effective solutions is because on an everyday basis I believe that your hair can make or break your outfit. If you see me in my night suit or if I'm going out, my hair will always be in place because that's what I believe in, and that's what I suggest you guys as well, because I feel that your hair should always be in place. It should be clean and tidy. I've got dry to normal hair and I've got mostly like straight hair coming from my genes and thanks to my mother. But no matter what your hair type is, be it curly hair or like wavy hair or like any other hair texture, we all go through the same problems. Like we face frizziness. There are days when we get dry hair, there are days when we get hair loss, and our hair is all tangled, and because of the humidity our hair is also very sticky and chip and like weird at all times. So no matter who we are, we all go through such problems. One difference that I've noticed in my hair is that my hair has become really shiny. Now if you ask me कि चेरी तुम्हें क्या फ़ायदा हुआ है, तुम्हारे बाल ऐसे दिखते हैं, तुम्हें क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है. लोगों के तो बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ली बाल होते हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिजी बाल होते हैं. It's actually loved by people who have got curly hair, guys. Trust me. बहुत लोगों के जिनके कर्ली बाल है वो ये यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज आपके बाल स्मूथ हो जाते हैं, आपके बाल इन प्लेस हो जाते हैं, आपके वो जो कर्ली के ऊपर भी जो फ्रिजीनेस होती है वो चली जाती है. तो those curls also look so beautiful and it's really loved by curly hair girls. And for me, I think I got my hair colored last year. So now the color is coming off, and whenever you color your hair you will notice that your hair gets really dry, क्योंकि जब कलर उतर रहा होता है तब बाल ड्राई हो जाते हैं. उस टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप मॉइस्चराइज करो अपने बालों को. सो अगर आप ये एंड्स देखो जहाँ ये कलर अब बचे हुए, तो इधर काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है क्योंकि it has helped me in keeping this part sane. And I have already told you that it has helped me in the shine. Now if I'm shooting, like I'm a YouTuber or like I'm making videos for my Instagram, self-promotion, so smooth shiny hair, keeping it moisturized is something that I have noticed personally in my hair, because frizziness level is not that much as compared to other hair types, I feel. And honestly, it's not just about moisturizing or like making your hair sane or making your hair look presentable. There are so many things that you can do with this one product. Like I have used it like before curling my hair. I generally curl my hair these days because a lot of you got bored कि आपके बाल straight है हर चीज़ों में, तो मैं आजकल curl करना prefer करती हूँ. And I think that there are people who loves to like pamper themselves. I'm so proud of them. Like I'm honestly not one of them, but you know, if you go for like long procedures, you can actually use it as an overnight hair treatment. You can apply it before sleeping and before, like, you know, while doing your hair spa or something, and then wash your hair. So this was all about my review for the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now I feel that it's a must-have for every girl's dressing table because it's like an instant solution to most of your problems. It saves you from the damage, like from the heat if you're using tools, from the sun. It helps you in less hair fall. It smoothens your hair. It you know, detangles your hair. It adds shine. So it's like a one-stop solution to most of your problems. No matter what your hair texture is, it's suitable for all hair types. And this is coming from a person who has got like straight hair. This bottle, which will last you for literally a very long time, is for $4.99. And for other details, you should check out my description box. And if you have any other thoughts or comments about this product, you should comment below. Like this video if you know, enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon.